So hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Casfuy. Casfuy is a very popular brand and they are selling different kinds of dog nail grinder. Okay, so you should buy this product or not? Yes, you can make a purchase without any doubt. Okay, so the brand, you can see the brand is 100% legit and they are also available on, you can say, like amazon.com, and the ratings of their product is also really amazing. You can see they have like a store, and you can see like they have like good reputation on internet, and this is their website. And on the website you can see the information they have provided, like good information. But the product is very popular on amazon.com. You can see like 97,000 ratings, so this is an amazing rating. Okay, and you can see the costing is only like 19 to $20, so this is also amazing part. And there are so many product available on amazon.com, but the ratings is very high. And you can see like $28, and there are so many product available. But about this product, the product is really amazing looking, like really amazing. You can use this product without any doubt, and you can get the benefits of this product. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any experience with this product, please share your thought in our comment box. Your comment is a real review, and thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye.